have only one day time, today and tomorrow.
Yes.
So finish this.
22. What time is it for this morning?
22 afternoon.
Afternoon.
वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथानितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखानितां च नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। तुमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसारसमुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भागवतस्वरूपम् श्यामळिमछटाभिरवितो मिन्दीकृतं दीवा जागुरुचिरां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदिलसतधामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं यशोदाभियोलुखलाब्धावमानं रामृष्टमत्या ततो धृत्य गोप्या नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुगं मृजन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रम् श्वासकं त्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं स्थितग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् देवमोहायिति दृक्षलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे सघोषं निमजन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जिता तं न प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरिषदपीह इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालं तदा मे मनसा विरास्तां किमन्ये नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं सीदन्ते मुखाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीळे वृत्तं कुन्तले स्निग्धरक्तिश्च गोप्या मुहुचुम्बितं बिम्बरत्राधरं मे मनुष्या विरास्तामलङ्लक्ष्यलाभे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानम् नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभु दुःख जलधिमग्नम् कृपा दृष्टिवृष्ट्याति दीनं बतानु गृहाणि समामज्ञमेध कीदृश नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् कुबेरात्मजौ वधमूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रजच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मस्ति दामोदरेह नमामीश्वरं गोपीनानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमस्तेस्तु दाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदराय च विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया करो राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर करो राधा दामोदर हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। The first of all, I offer my Sashtang Pranipad to His Divine Grace Nityalaya Vishnu Vishnupad Ashtotar Satasila Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj Nityalaya Bhakti Jivana Janardhan Goswami Maharaj Nityalaya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, and with all Guru Vargas, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswami Thakur Prabhupada, and all Acharyas, by their causeless mercy, we will enter to the divine Harikatha festival. I offer my respects and love to all participated devotees who are present here and in online. Yesterday we have discussed this Govinda Damodara Madhava, this Stotra is written by Bilamangala Thakur. Verse we discussed, and tomorrow only we have time, and day after tomorrow afternoon we will go to Calcutta and we stay night there. In the morning flight to go to Vrindavan. Only today and tomorrow we will continue our program, and after attending in Vrindavan, we don't know how is internet, how our time and parikrama and all facilities to continue. But if we get facility there, we will also continue. And this Harikatha Sravana Kirtan program is not, it is for some time or a temporary. Whenever our life is here, we always need same like food. We need always food and water to survive our body. Same our soul need sadhu sangha, harikatha, Sravana Kirtan. Otherwise we die. In 11th canto, Krishna told to Uddhava, my devotees can't stay without my katha. My katha is like fish in the water. If somebody take fish from water, he will die. Same, my katha give in this world them to live. It is like nectar. And they survive by this. And they continue and they enjoy, then they can't feel this material, this miseries of three kinds of sufferings. They can't feel when they continue with my katha, Harikatha. This is his nectar, blessings to fallen souls. So we will continue anywhere in life, any time while there. So we are also writing one small book, and already we have written a Oriya language, and English language now we are writing. This small book, its name is Very Rare and Topmost of Human Birth. What is actually value of human birth? This verse actually Krishna told to Uddhava in 11th canto. In Avadhutas conversation, this verse he told. Even demigods also pray to get one human body. But this Maya, illusory Maya, human, they cannot understand their originality, how Krishna gave in mother's womb all knowledge. They have realization and they pray to Krishna. But when came here by this illusory energy and the family and relation, friend, enemy, this, that. Here, big Maya, many things is here. So they forget with this. And they don't understand what is my duty, what should we do this. This is we write to again remind them, they forget their memory, their realization. We will bring how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu blessed in Kali Yuga. This Kali Yuga is very, very complicated and very, very unhealthy for anyone. But who tolerate and who continue, then they will understand here. The battery night loga sir. Prabhuji can charge this computer battery. So computer no battery. So we are writing, and when it will complete, now Sarvadik Prabhu, our Devamai Mataji, they are also fully helping to bring this book. They are also interested. So when we finish, we will also publish in Italian, Spanish, other language. So everyone, this is so short book, but it's very helpful to understand. I know nowadays people have no time to read big books, but they are always engaged with all this phone, with Facebook, WhatsApp, and all this conversation little, but there are many negative things also there. So once minds enter with negative things, intelligence become contaminated, cannot, it is difficult to clean also saying. Once enter in mind, very difficult to clean this, to delete this. But in small book we will, present we are engaged with these 4 or 5 hours, we are writing morning time, 5 hours. So have every Vaishnavas blessed and their well wishes, we will complete this. Okay, we will start. Mata pitrubhyang parivarjamanang geha pravishta bilalap gopi. Agatamang palaya Vishwanatha Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Matra pitrubhyam parivarjamana geha pravista pilalap gopi. Here, Sri Vilamangal Thakur is explaining here by separation of Krishna. When Krishna went to Mathura, gopis, how they suffer by separation, love, mood of separation. So here, father and mother, they forbidden to gopis who are beloved to Krishna. Geha pravistang bilalapo jovi. When Krishna left, they come to the inside house and they loudly cry. When they remember, they cry loudly, gopis in the house. And father, mother, and so they wanted to convince them, but they cannot control the separation food. Say Agatamang Palaya Vishwanath, O Vishwanath, you are the Lord of the universe. So we are dying now. Please come and protect us, save us. They call, Hey Govinda, Hey Damodara, Hey Madhava, come and protect us, Palaya. Vrindavanastha harima subadham gopi gana kvapi vanam nisayam tatrapya drushtati bhayadivechat govinda damodara madhavati Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti In the Vrindavan, they saw quickly the Hari, Krishna, Gopigana Kwapi Banang Nisayam. Gopigana, some gopis, sometimes something happened, so he is writing. Not some pastimes with some gopis, something happened, so he is writing with different gopis, what happened. And when entered to forest, Adushtati Bhayadi Vechat. And when they saw in Vrindavan there, they see other any, like they see the cloud, they fear to Indra. Maybe Indra will kill us. If they see sometimes some animal something, oh, maybe they will kill us. Who will protect us? Krishna is not here. So they immediately call to Krishna, O Govinda, O Damodara, O Madhava, come and say, without you we are refugee, we are fearful. Evam bruvanang virahatura bhrusang braja striya Krishna visaktamanasa. Evam bruvana virahatura bhrusang braja striya Krishna visaktamanasa. Visrujalajjang rururu suswarang Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhavetam. When Krishna was leaving to Mathura, this verse is from Bhagavatam. In Bhagavatam, 10th canto, this is 39 chapter and 31 verse. When Uddhava came and Krishna was leaving, this verse is from Bhagavatam, he has taken from Bhagavatam. Everything is, its origin is Bhagavatam. The Bhagavata is Bhava. With the Bhava is there. So this Bhava he has taken and composed this Leelas. In this way, when they heavily, severely, they cry and feel Krishna is leaving, we can't live without him. All they cannot forget to Krishna and cannot stay inside there, their mind is. So what does In this world also we see someone loved someone. If this anyway they separate, some problem come, they also commit suicide. They also take drugs. They cannot control their mind. They become mad. Hysteria, psychiatric problems comes. Their life becomes like that. What about the Supreme Lord? So this is happening them. So here, Vishnu Jalilang, they give up their same, and they loudly they together they cry, oh Govinda, oh Damodar, oh Madhava. They cry this. Gopi kadachin mani pinjarastham sukang bate vachayitum prabhuta. Gopi Ananda Kanda Braja Chandra Krishna Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Ananda Kanda Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Gopi kada, sometimes some gopi, the keeping in the cage, the parrot, and Sukang bache bachai tung prabhuta. A Suka tell Ananda Kanda Brother Chandra Krishna. So this parrot say Ananda Kanda Brother Chandra Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharamadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharamadhaveti. So they pass their time in this way to teach the parrot. This is actually Radharani's mood, and they keep this different groups. They sometimes they cry, sometimes they teach to parrot, and the parrot can sing after. Vrindavane gopo ganancha gopya bilok govinda biyoga khina. Radha jugam sasra vilochanabhyam Govinda damodar madhaveti. Govinda damodar madhaveti. Govinda damodar madhaveti. Vrindavane gopa ganancha gopya. In Vrindavan, gopis, gopas, and other inhabitants all Vilokya Govinda Biyogo Khinna. To see them, all are, by separation of Krishna, they become very thin and they lost their health, they can't eat, they become very weak. To after see that Radhang Jaguhu Sasru Vilochanabhyam. Radha saw this to Lord Krishna, how you are cruel, how you have so much, they love you and you cannot come once to see to them. So she started to cry with tears and call Govinda Damodara Madhava. Chakranda gopi nalini banante Krishne nahina kusume sayana. Prafula nilotpala lochanabhyam गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति Chakranda Gopi Nalini Banante in the pond in Yamuna and other ponds there is lotus and lily flower. So there before they were playing with Krishna, they in this lotus and lily flowers there. So they remember there, they take them and they make flower bed to sit there, to sleep there. Now, without Krishna, these flowers became useless. No one, before they make a garland for Krishna, and they do everything for Krishna, but now they can't do anything for whom they will do, but they remember all their these pastimes, prafulla nilot palalocanabhyam, and their eyes are same like nilotpala, like the blue lily flowers, petals. So same, there also eyes are beautiful. Now with same Gopi's face, here the analogy, Gopi's eyes and the flowers of lily flowers. The same, and they are now crying. The flowers also cry, and their eyes with tears, they also cry, and chanting Govinda Damodara Madhava. Sanirajaki Mavalokya Radhan Ruroda Govinda Biyogakhina. Sakhi Prapullo Sakhing Prapullo Palalocanabhyam Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Sa Nirajakhim Avalokya Radham. All Sakhis, when they saw Radha's eyes is like fish, a analogy. Fish, very long and same analogy is given. So Nirajakhi means Niraja. Also Niraja is lotus flower petals like this. So they see to Radha by crying to Govinda, Krishna, she lost her beauty, lost her all energy, and became very thin. Sakhin prafulot palalocanabhyam. All Sakhis, Lalita, Vishakha, Nangadevi, Sudevi, all they are. Before they are just enjoying with festive life, with music, dancing, chanting with Krishna. Now they saw Radharani's such condition, they crying. Then they call to Govinda, "Oh, Govinda, Damodara, Madhava, how you come once to see your friends, your lovers, how they are suffering." They called, "Oh Govinda, oh Damodara, oh Madhava, you come. Otherwise we have no any other shelter." This up to this 40 verses, all these pastimes, separation mode, Sri Bilvamangal Thakur has written. Then he changed his mood. Now writing about the chanting of this name, Krishna's name. Then say, in Bhagavatam, Krishna told in Kurukshetra to gopis. So here he mentioned this. When they met Krishna in Kurukshetra, Krishna came from Dwarika, and also gopis, they went to take bath in eclipse time in Kurukshetra. When they met together, then Krishna alone went to meet with them. They asked, "How are you? How to do this?" Many discussions they have. Then Krishna told, "You come and stay in Dwaraka. I have always war with demons. I am with politics. I have no time." All discussion there. Then Radharani, they told, "No, we can't stay in Dwaraka. You are now different. You are not same like our Govinda Damodara Madhava. You are now Dwarakadhish. You are Vasudev. You are a Chakradhari. So you are different. We cannot happy with here. If you come there in Vrindavan, our flower, Govardhan, and this forest, we enjoy this. If we remember these pastimes, we die. But we can't come and stay and be happy with Dwarika." But they told Krishna this verse, "Sansara kupe patito gadhe." In this well of the sansara, this material world, ocean, this like a well. Well, in forest, there are some well covered by grass. No one can understand. So somebody is going there, they fell down. Animals and others, if they are grass, anything they gather, they could not understand that inside it's well. So fell down. And there is, because this is a forest well, there is no way to come out. When they enter there, then many insects, many others, they bite and they suffer there. Same like that, we come here, there are many such kind of suffering here. So we are suffering in this sansara like well. Agadhe, there are no limit. Agadha means no end. Unlimited suffering. There, patito agadhi, mohandha purna visaya utapte. And it is so moho, it's creating so illusion, make dark, make ignorance. We could not understand what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, what is to do, what is not to do. Because of Vishaya utapte mohandha, just like in dark well, cannot see anything. Vishaya utapte, this Vishayas means all these air, fire, water, everything here. We always need breathing air, eating, sleeping, and this is always we are suffering for that. Uttapti. If something little problem there, we suffer for that. So in this uttapti, this seems with like burning, like davanala, samsara davanala, we say in Guru Bandhana too, like the here. So in this condition, Karavalamanga mamadehi Vishnu. Oh Vishnu, you avalampankara, you give your hands to us and blessed to us and take us from here. This is in Bhagavatam, this verse is written. It's in Kurukshetra is there. This verse I took. Then they told, there is no other way in this world, only its name is the shelter. Krishna has given all his power to name. If somebody chant, remember, they will get all perfection by his name. So he here told, Swami Bajache Mamadehi Jive Samagate Danda Dhari Krutante. Swami Bajache Mamadehi Jive Samagate Danda Dhari Krutante. Bhaktavyamevang Madhura Subhaktya Govind Damodar Madhaveti. Govind Damodar Madhaveti. Govind Damodar Madhaveti. Then they pray, O my Lord, O Swami, I beg to you. I don't beg anything, pray anything from you. I want Mama Dehi Juve. Please give me my tongue. When Samagate Dandadhari Kurtante, in the end of my life, when the Jamadutas come to take my soul, that time I can call you. My tongue can chant your sweet name, Govinda Damodar Madhava. That is, I am praying to you, you appear my tongue that time. Jive sadaiva bhaja sundarani namani krishnasya manoharani. Jive naigre daire. Jihe pivadya bhaja sundarani namani krishnasya manoharani. Jive sadaiva bhaja sundarani namani krishnasya manoharani. Samasta bhaktarthi vinasanani Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Here in this verse, he teaching to his own tongue, means to mind, O tongue, always this beautiful sweet name Krishnasya you chant, and this name take all your sufferings. So always you chant, oh my mind, oh my tongue, you chant always this beautiful his names. Then he told to others also, Sukha Bosani Tadame Bosaram Dukha Bosani Tadame Bagayam Sukha Bosani Tadame Bosaram Dukha Bosani Tadame Bagayam Deha Bosani Tadame Bajapam Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Dehabosani Tadami Vajapyam Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. He told, in this world, after happiness, what is there? Your name is there. And after suffering, you are there. There is no other way. End of the happiness, you are there. End of the suffering, you are there. Dukhavasvane tadameva geyam. Sukhavasvane tadameva saram. You are the essence of the all pleasure, and to free from the all kinds of sufferings is your name is there to sing you. Dehavasane tadame bhajar. Finish this body, also you this. Tadame bhajar. No other way. So all devotees, everyone should call this name Govinda Damodara Madhave. Very beautiful song has written everything. Heart melt to this. Atyanta vyadhi harang jananang chikitchakang vedo vido vadanti. Atyanta vadhi harang jananang chikitchakang veda vido vadanti. Sansara tapa trayonasa bijam Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Atyanta Vyadhi Haram Janana. In this material condition, all they are who are suffering here, this material disease of birth and death, this is the medicine for everyone. All many sages, Narada, Sanaka, Sukadeva, all they, Mahadev, all the Shiva, they told the Harinam is the medicine. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this is Bhavaushadhi. And Aushadhi Maya, to finish this Maya, this disease, this is the medicine. This Harinam is medicine. Sansara, Trapo, Trayonasa Bijam. These three types of misery of the sansara also will finish by chanting this name. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि जय श्री राधा मोहन जी की जय श्री गोपीनाथ जय विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र महाराज की जय आनंद कुटी वैष्णव वृंद की जय हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल
जय हो विश्वपाल विष्णु महाराज
प्रभु की जय ऑल वैष्णव की जय
Kotai Guru Maharaj, Kotai. Guru Maharaj Murti, Kotai. Om Vishnupad Bhakti Bhai Puri Goswami Murti Maharaj. Kotai. Oh. Jai Guru Maharaj. Jai Prabhupada.